Welcome back to Spoonful Savories, the channel where we bring you delightful culinary creations. Today we have a special treat lined up just in time for Holi. Get ready to indulge in our Thandai Trace Leches cake. Here in a mixing bowl I am taking all-purpose flour or maida. Then I am adding baking powder, baking soda, icing sugar, condensed milk. All the measurement you will get in the description box. Then I am adding refined oil. Then I am adding Thandai powder, which is a mixture of almond, cashew, black peppercorns, fennel seeds, poppy seed, melon seed, 8 to 10 cardamom pods, dried rose petals and saffron strands. Then I am adding water and gradually I am mixing this batter in cut and fold method. The consistency of the batter should be something like this. Then I have taken a square tin and I am greasing it with oil. Then I am pouring the batter into it. Then I will tap it. Now I will bake it in a preheated oven for about 12 minutes at 180-degree temperature. Temperature will completely depend on the oven in which you are baking. Now with the help of a knife I am just doing this so that the mixture get absorbed well in the cake. Now for the mixture, in a bowl add 1 cup of milk, half cup of condensed milk, then add Thandai powder. You can add Thandai syrup as well. Here I have used Thandai powder. Then add 1 cup of whipping cream. Then mix it well. Then pour the mixture on the cake. And keep it aside. After that, garnish it with some whipping cream and dried rose petals. You can use dry fruit as well. And there you have it. Our Holi special Thandai Eggless Leches cake is ready to be devoured. Celebrate the spirit of Holi with this delectable dessert that combines the traditional flavors of Thandai with the Trace Leches. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy Holi and happy baking! Thanks for watching.